Since February 15, 2023, our system ranks Troika Media Group as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.000. During this period the stock has outperformed our expectations with an gain 91.38% since we first told you to buy Troika Media Group 10 days ago. This is an average return of 9.14% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for Troika Media Group, our last headline reads, Volatile ride for Troika Media Group Incorporated stock price on Wednesday moving between $0.370 and $0.480. The Troika Media Group Incorporated stock price gained 16.59% on the last trading day, Wednesday, March 1, 2023, rising from $0.393 to $0.458. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 29.73% from a day low at $0.370 to a day high of $0.480. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 117.8% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -21 million shares and in total, 140 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $64.07 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $1.42, and the lowest price was $0.0950. Right now the price is 67.77%, or 96 cents, below 52-week high and 88.56%, or $3.54. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising April 20, 2021 and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $0.321, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 196.03% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 49.61% and 107.78%. The 12-month trend indicates a -62.98% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -100% and -55.55%. This equals a price between $0 and $0.203 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Thursday, March 31, 2022, E.F. Hutton set price target to 4.5. From analysts, Troika Media Group stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give P/E ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Troika Media Group. The Troika Media Group Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $0.336 and $0.218. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, February 10, 2023, and so far it has risen 143.4%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 77 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Troika Media Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $0.403 and $0.393. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $0.393 may give a huge drop in the stock price. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.110 between high and low, or 29.73%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 23.87%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Troika Media Group. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Troika Media Group currently has a price-earning ratio of -0.261. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released March 06, 2023. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Troika Media Group finds first level of support at $0.403, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Troika Media Group is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On October 20, 2022, Coates Peter made an inside buy of 6,286 of common stock, $0.001 par value. On July 18, 2022, Coates Peter made an inside buy of 500,000 of common stock, $0.001 par value. On July 15, 2022, Miles Randall D. made an inside buy of 2 million of common stock. On June 21, 2022, Coates Peter made an inside buy of 9,082 of common stock, $0.001 par value. On June 17, 2022, Coates Peter made an inside buy of 75,513 of common stock, $0.001 par value. Based on the 93 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 82.223. In total, the insiders bought 19,998,009 and sold 20,156,629 shares in the last 93 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $0.444, minus 2.94%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 78 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 12 days ago. Is Troika Media Group stock a buy? Troika Media Group Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 2nd, we expect Troika Media Group to open down $0.0217 and start trading at $0.436. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to